Hi, welcome to another edition of Jargon Buster from Rayker. My name is James Chu. I lead the market and investment team at Rayker. Today I'm going to talk about ORB, which actually stands for the Order Book for Retail Bonds. What is this? Actually, is an interesting market provided by the London Stock Exchange, where investors can buy and sell bonds in small sizes. Now, many investors have been investing in equities to help to meet their income needs. That's more a UK phenomenon. In US and continental Europe, a lot of the clients, individual investors, can actually buy bonds in the retail market in small sizes. Why buy bonds? Because this helps for financial planning. For instance, if you need a portfolio that gives you income to support school fees or other income needs in the next 5 to 10 years, for example, it's easier to construct using a series of bonds rather than buying fixed income funds. And traditionally, bonds are not available for retail investors because many high-grade issuers, investment-grade issuers, have been issuing bonds directly to the institutional investors for fund managers. Whereas LSE, starting in 2010, 4 years ago, they started this Order Book for Retail Bonds, ORB market. They allow these high-grade corporate issuers to issue bonds specifically for retail investors. For those investors, they could buy or sell in denomination as low as £1,000. Gilts are also available there, and also other issuers, for instance, Lloyds, Royal Bank of Scotland, National Grid, Tesco. And there will be many more in the future. Issuers will use more and more ORB, and retail investors should seriously consider them to use these bonds for their financial planning purpose. At Rayker, because we are a member of the London Stock Exchange, we are also a member of RORB as well, which means that when you actually open a dealing account with us, you can buy or sell these retail bonds with us. There will be more videos explaining how these retail bonds work and how they can be used for financial planning and investment purpose. Meanwhile, if you've got any questions, you're welcome to contact our product specialist. You can drop us a line at investments@rayker.com. Thank you.